What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and I want to talk about the news coming out of Airbnb that they will be going public in 2020. There will be an Airbnb IPO. Now, this is huge news because we have so many people that love to use their services, and it's going to really show how popular they are and how much people believe in them in 2020, because if people aren't willing to invest, what does that mean for their longevity? But I believe millions will be willing to invest in Airbnb because, number one, I believe based on what they've said, even though we don't know their financials yet, based on what they've said, I believe they turned a profit in 2017 and 2018, and who knows about 2019. We do know they're bringing in billions of dollars in revenue per quarter. I think the second quarter numbers were 1 to 2 billions in revenue. And we know that because they're not paying landlords, they're not paying certain expenses, Airbnb is making a lot of money more than likely. I mean, I think they have a better model than even Uber and Lyft. And you see that Uber and Lyft, despite not being profitable, still made money through their IPO. They still was able to, I don't want to say successfully, but in some level of success, they released their IPO and did have multiple investors. Also, something to note, Airbnb likely will list their stocks directly on the market. So I'm saying that this will be a direct listing. So it doesn't make them a official IPO. It's saying that they won't create new shares. They'll just use existing shares that employees have. And I'm sure there's rules to that, you know, how many can be released, how much you can sell, blase, blase. But this looks like it's going to be a direct listing, which is good for the public, because it means it's more opportunities for you to buy if you put your money up and you're ready when that time comes about. So this is just a quick video. I want to see what you guys are thinking, how you're feeling about an Airbnb IPO. Maybe you feel like their business model isn't sustainable. Maybe you don't like their service. You've used them before and you're not a fan. Maybe you feel like it's just regional where they could be successful. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I personally believe that this is a company that will perform better than Uber and Lyft in terms of their stock and how their stock price will rise up. And also I believe that there will be government acceptance more quickly in relation to Airbnb versus Uber and Lyft. I believe they'll see less resistance because this is something that honestly the government can't stop. So many, even HOA associations and so many local businesses and hotels and even housing industry, parts of the housing industry try to regulate this, but you can't regulate it because so many people are doing it under the table. But again, what do you guys think? Do you feel like Airbnb is an excellent investment choice? Do you feel like you'll be investing in 2020? I'm looking at a stock price probably between $35 to $55 per share when it initially comes up, but it could skyrocket because Airbnb is so popular. We'll see, guys. News will come out as they release more information. I'll make sure on this channel to update you. You know, we talk about all the hot IPOs. We talk about all the new stocks that are hitting the market. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications, because any day when that information is released, I'm going to make sure to let you know, but you have to be aware and be ready. All right, guys, have a good one.